Hello. Today we will be completing a proper heading for our paper using MLA 8. Now, the first thing we would like to do is to change the font and size for our paper. And you will find to change the font up here. It is currently set in Calibri Body. I'll just hit the downward button. And since Times New Roman is in my recently used font, I don't have to scroll down. This is what you will select. Then to change the size, you will go to the next box, which has a number. Go to this drop-down box and change it to the number 12. Another thing you would like to make sure of is to make sure that the margins are set at 1 inch from each side. And to check, we will be going to our layout option of Microsoft. I'm also using Microsoft 2016, just to be clear. So under layout, we will go to the left and select margins. And it is currently set to normal, which most computers and with Microsoft, this is the standard setting, but it's nice to double check. So I will just click off to change and get rid of the screen. Now, what you would like to do is start by typing your name at the first line. So, type my name right here. Then you'll want to hit the enter button to bring you to a new line. And right here, you'll write the name of your professor or teacher. So, I will just write Dr. Sorry, technical difficulties. Dr. Doe. The next line, after you hit enter, you will want to write the name of the class. So, for this, I will just type in English 1 as an example. And you will hit enter one more time and type the date. I typically like writing the date in which the paper is due, just to keep everything clean and help teachers keep all their papers in order. So we'll write the date, May 12th, 2018. So this will be the standard heading you will use. And then to give the paper a proper title, you'll want to hit the enter button one more time. We'll go back to our home tab and we will go right here where you will find a bunch of lines and select this one and you will see the word center. You'll center it and this will be the title of our paper. I want to make sure we have the proper capitalizations. Now, after we have this part completed, we will want to make sure we put page numbers at the top. So, to do that, we will put insert, my Microsoft wants to work, and we'll go under the section header and footer, and you'll see right here it has page numbers. We will just select that. And we want our page number on the top of our page. My part wants to be waiting. Sorry about that. We'll go back to top of page. And we want it to be all the way on the right. Be plain number 3. And you will just want to write your last name. And for aesthetics, so it matches the rest of our paper, I'll go back to the Home tab and select under Fonts, Times New Roman, and for the size, I showed you how to use the drop down to change the number, or you may also go to the right and you'll find an A pointing up and an A pointing down. This will change the size as well, so I will choose the A to increase the font, and as we see, it'll change the number from 11 to 12. Now here we have our proper heading in MLA 8 format. Thank you so much for watching and have a great night.